When you're considering ChurchPulse for your church management software, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully. In this video, we'll cover 12 key things you need to know before making a purchase, helping you make a more informed decision. Stick with us till the end to see how it stacks up against its competitors. First off, ChurchPulse offers a variety of features designed for church leaders, such as event management, volunteer coordination, and membership tracking. But compared to other software, its user interface is a bit more complicated, which can make training staff and volunteers a bit more challenging. You might find yourself needing additional time or support to fully understand how to utilize all of its features effectively. Next thing to note is ChurchPulse's pricing structure. While it's generally affordable for smaller congregations, it can become pricey as your church grows and you need more advanced features. This can put it in competition with alternatives like Breeze THMS, which provides similar features at a more competitive price, particularly for churches on a tighter budget. The third thing is its integration options. ChurchPulse offers integrations with a range of third-party tools, but it's not as seamless as some other platforms, like Planning Center or ACS Technologies, which have a more established network of partners. If you're looking for smoother integrations with your existing tools, you may find this to be a limitation. The fourth thing is ChurchPulse's mobile app. The app allows members to easily donate, sign up for events, and connect with the community, which is a huge bonus. However, its functionality isn't as polished as apps offered by competitors like ChurchTrack or Tithe.ly, which are known for being user-friendly and reliable on mobile. The fifth thing to keep in mind is customer support. ChurchPulse provides support through email and phone, but reviews suggest that response times can vary. If you need fast assistance, this may not be as efficient as other platforms like ChurchSuite, which is known for its excellent customer service and quicker response times. Next, let's talk about customization. ChurchPulse offers a good amount of customization for your church's specific needs, but compared to software like Planning Center, which offers greater flexibility and features like custom workflows, ChurchPulse might fall short in some areas. The seventh thing is reporting. ChurchPulse provides a decent range of reports to help you track attendance, donations, and more, but it lacks some of the deeper analytics offered by other platforms like Fellowship One, which has advanced reporting tools for churches with more complex data tracking needs. The eighth thing is its ease of use. While ChurchPulse is generally user-friendly, it's not as intuitive as some of its competitors. Other software like Breeze or Elvanto are known for their streamlined user experience, making them easier for churches with limited tech expertise to implement quickly. Next, let's talk about data security. ChurchPulse offers good security features, including data encryption and secure payment processing, but some competitors may provide even stronger data protection measures. If data security is a high priority for your church, it's worth comparing ChurchPulse with other platforms that focus heavily on security, like Rock RMS. The 10th thing is the community features. ChurchPulse allows members to communicate with one another through its platform, but it's not as feature-rich as what you'll find in systems like Fellowship One or Realm, which allow for more advanced communication tools like small group management and messaging. The 11th thing is scalability. While ChurchPulse works well for smaller to medium-sized churches, it may not scale as efficiently for larger congregations. Platforms like ACS Technologies and Rock RMS are better equipped to handle larger member bases with more complex needs. And finally, the last thing to consider is how you can try ChurchPulse before committing. You'll find that they offer a trial, but be sure to test it thoroughly to ensure it fits your church's specific needs before fully committing. So, is ChurchPulse a good option? Absolutely. It offers solid features for smaller churches, but if you're looking for something more user-friendly with stronger integrations, customer support, and scalability, we recommend checking out our solution. You can even try it for free. Take a look at the link in the description to get started.